I don't even know which wire to cut to defuse a time bomb. Why I was absent at that lecture? How to defuse a bomb? Got idea. Got idea. I need to go to the YouTube and search for how to defuse a bomb because YouTube have everything.
Kraft mac and cheese. It's like my bathrobe and
Man,
slippers
where is
had
the
a
skip
baby
button?
on
Where
my
is the skip
tongue.
button? Where is the skip?
Kraft mac and cheese.
Where is the skip
If your
button?
parents don't buy it,
This might be my fault.
Another ad.
As a 12-year-old me in the movie we're doing. I can fix this.
And its time is 10 seconds.
Hey,
And
bud.
bump, and I have only 14 seconds. And it will blow up everything. Okay, let's go. Don't worry. I should play my favorite song in this moment. And let's go to the YouTube and search for Channa Bere ya Channa Bere. Channa मिल गया
मौके को करे कैच वही है मैन ऑफ द मैच मस्ती फेवरेट कॉन्डम्स बनो मैन ऑफ द मैच